Hi YouTube, I am Shweta. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm back again with another topic for all of you. This one is going to be what you need to know about your career. So all the information, advices, guidance for your professional life is what we're going to be talking about. I think it's been more than a month that we talked about your career and I thought why not to create a video. So here it is. Before I go ahead, definitely do like, save, share this video if you want to. Let me know what you want to watch next. I will definitely take your recommendations and yeah, let me know what resonated, what made sense, what's going on in your life. I would love to read all of that. And subscribe to my channel. Let's hit 15,000 subscribers ASAP. So let's do that ASAP. And yeah, hype this video as many times as you can. And if you want to book a personal session with me, all the information is in the description box below. So yeah, without any further delay, let's just get into it. I have two piles in front of me. Rainbow Obsidian, pile number 1, and Red Jasper, pile number 2. Both of them are very unique crystals. Very beautiful crystals. Choose one, whatever is connecting to you, whatever is feeling resonated towards you. Choose whatever you're feeling connected to, whatever feels like has your answers. Maybe look at the color, look at the names, choose your intuition, use your intuition, and choose your pile. All right, let's get into it. All right, if you've chosen pile number 1, which is this crystal, Rainbow Obsidian, this is going to be your tarot reading where we're going to see what you need to know about your professional life, about your career, and all the information about it, right? So right off the bat, people who have chosen pile number 1 now, you people are wearing pink or violet, indigo, blue. Any of those shades you must be wearing. Or you might be seeing, a lot of iridescent colors. Colors like, you must be seeing rainbows around you a lot. Okay, rainbow ka dekh liya, that's a sign. Or the kind of color that you see out of a CD. जो होता है ना, एक CD होता है ना, the kind of colors that you see when you are putting a glass into sunlight, like a prism into the sunlight. Those kind of colors. Do you get what I'm saying? Those kind of colors you must be seeing a lot around you. You must be also wearing heart something like heart clips, heart earrings, heart bracelet, kuch heart top, pajamas or something of that sort. You must be having a heart tattoo also. Like I have a heart tattoo. I have a heart tattoo. Okay. Some of you actually use the purple heart emoji. Jo purple heart emoji hota na? Not red, not blue, not black, nothing. The purple heart emoji. Maybe I'll show it to you somewhere here. That kind of a emoji that you use a lot. Maybe some of your favorite flowers are lilac or orchids or lavender or something of that sorts. Okay. Some of you are focusing a lot on memories. I think that's a very important thing that is coming to me. Going back into time, memories, going back into old, like, some of you must be going back and watching some Barbie movie or any, like you can be of any gender and you're going back into the childhood movies. You're maybe going into childhood hobbies also. कि जो आप बचपन में नहीं कर पा रहे थे अब आप वो कर रहे हो. So pile number 1, people, you are focusing more on memories and nostalgia and reviving your old self basically, right? So that is what is happening. Pile number 1. ठीक है, ज़्यादा information नहीं लेंगे. Let's just get into the reading. So let's see what is happening in your career, what you need to know. Okay, what is the guidance? And somewhere I do believe that there is this energy of nostalgia and memory is going to come up in your reading. I am getting a feeling. Let's see if that happens. Something related to childhood, something related to the past opportunities, something related to what couldn't happen is now happening, kind of an energy. Maybe pehle thoda kuch failure ho gaya tha and now you are maybe witnessing a comeback. Hai na? Okay, why are the cards upside down? One second, guys. I'll just need a moment. Okay, so pile number 1. Some of you are actually, pile number 1 people are really reanalyzing, reassessing what you want from your career. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप शायद whether in your job, whether in your studies, you are just asking yourself, do I need to continue in this field? मतलब ये zone में आप आ गए हो. So either you are at a situation where things are not going your way at all, or things are almost going to start and you're questioning. दो चीज़ें हैं कि either things are just going into failure, या you're just about to start something and you're just like, dude, hold up. Am I ready for it? Am I going to be able to kind of move towards that direction? Like उस zone में आप हो. One thing that is common here is that the answer is not in front of you. Like one thing I will tell you guys is the answer is not that easy to see. द आंसर इज नॉट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. अगर आंसर ईजी होता तो आपको आंसर शायद मिल जाता. सो माई पॉइंट इज कि देर इज एन एनर्जी where there is a possibility that you are at a juncture of questioning your career, questioning what is the right steps to take. Is even the field right? Even the possibility of switching fields is there or not? Maybe possibility of shifting countries. Some of you must be in XYZ country and you're like, should I come back to India now? कि मतलब मेरा हो चुका है, यहाँ पे नहीं हो पा रहा है, मेरी दाल नहीं गल रही है. Some of you are like, maybe I need to go abroad क्योंकि इंडिया में अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं है. Maybe this is some place that I can't grow in. So there is some kind of a rerouting of your career that is happening, and it's going to take some time for you to be able to understand this energy. ये इतनी आसानी से आपको समझ नहीं आने वाली है. And one more thing that is going to be common here is that you will not be able to run away from hard work. I hope you understand कि if you're thinking that I need to reshift because okay this is having a lot in pipeline, let me tell you the other place that you're going to end up in is also going to have a lot on the plate. तो अगर आप इसके लिए escape कर रहे हो, अगर आप escape नहीं but अगर आप इसलिए reanalyze कर रहे हो ताकि आप escape कर पाओ, then it's going to be a problem. If you are reassessing your career because you want to escape the hard work, then my love, there is no escaping. Also, I feel like there is this kind of a saturation that you've reached where, especially people who are having a job, you're just like, do I need to be here or do I need to do something dynamic and stimulating? क्या मेरे पास पॉसिबिलिटी है कुछ यूनिक करने का? अब यहाँ पे जरूरी नहीं है दैट इट ऑलवेज हैज टू बी एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी, बट it can be that you might need some kind of a dynamism in your role. Maybe you want to work in a different environment. Maybe you want to work in a big four. Maybe you want to work in a startup. It could be anything. Maybe you want to become a content creator and do some of your job side by side. Maybe you would want to pick up a new skill. Maybe you would want to learn more. Maybe you want to do something in data analysis. Maybe you want to get into philanthropy and want to do something for society. Maybe you want to get into polity. कुछ भी हो सकता है यहाँ पे. लेकिन मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि आप एक you're on a kind of a murky waters where you are right now, you're not liking and you are questioning. Maybe you are liking also, but you're just thinking what if, that energy of कि यार what if मैं ये कर पाता या कर पाती, अगर मेरे से हो पाता तो मैं कहाँ जाता. So you are kind of just observing. Okay, if you're an artist, right, if you are an artist, I think creative artist, मतलब conventional artistry के बारे में बात करी हूँ. Some of you are having very big huge problems with regards to liking the work that you're doing. You're not liking the work that you're doing. If you're a writer, I don't know if this is making sense for you, but you're writing and you're like, वो पेपर फाड़ रहे हो और उसको फेंक रहे हो, जैसे मूवीज में होता है कि लिख रहे हो, फाड़ रहे हो और फेंक रहे हो. इट्स जस्ट नॉट क्लिकिंग. कुछ क्लिक नहीं हो रहा है. बिजनेस ओनर्स, वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट टाइम फॉर यू गाइज. इट्स लाइक देयर इज स्लम्प. Business owners are having a slump. You are not able to figure out how to get recurring clients, and business owners are also having a little bit of a trouble in finances also. आपके finances भी थोड़े से dip हो रहे हैं सबके लिए actually. Business owners or students or whatever. Students will know that they are not earning right now, but people are making money. You are seeing that the finances are not up to the mark. You are hoping कि something should happen now, but it's not working. कुछ click नहीं हो रहा है. कुछ click नहीं हो रहा है. तो finances भी थोड़े से dry up हो रहे हैं. Your finances are getting dried up, and you're just like, what do I need to do now to shake things up? That's the mindset that you're in. Okay. So yeah, I mean, I'm not saying that this is a bad energy. I'm not saying this is a bad situation. I'm just saying कि ऐसे situation में आप हो जहाँ पे answers ढूंढ रहे हो आप. You're trying to find answers and you're just like, okay, what's the guidance? Right? What's the guidance? So understand that. Yeah, very self-restricted. I don't think you're very happy in your career, guys. Pile number one people, you are feeling very self-doubt. Like a lot of self-doubt, and there is a lot of helplessness, and somewhere some unnecessary stresses also that you're taking. There's also worry. I can see कि anxiety है. Maybe some students are giving their examinations and you're not prepared, and you're gonna get the result as much as you're preparing. तो आपको ये डर है कि प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, मुझे यहाँ दिख रहा है कि आप मिरेकल एक्सपेक्ट मत करो. जिस तरह के आपके एफर्ट्स है उस तरह के आपके रिजल्ट्स आने वाले हैं. आपको अपने गिरबान में झाँक के देखना पड़ेगा कि आप कितनी एफर्ट्स कर रहे हो. यू हैव टू लुक इनटू योर गिरबान को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? यू हैव टू लुक इनटू योर सेल्फ, इनटू इनर सेल्फ, एंड आस्क योरसेल्फ हाउ मच एफर्ट्स यू आर पुटिंग इन. जस्ट अ सेकंड. Major challenge that you have to overcome. See, I'm seeing career struggles right now. I don't think that it's an easy journey right now. Maybe this was important for you guys to hear that career is actually straining you a little bit. I do believe that there is a possibility that you can find yourself feeling very, very unsafe. Not unsafe, but insecure in your career. There will be places where work is not happening properly. You're making silly mistakes. The quality is really deteriorating. You're finding yourself very overstimulated in your career. The way you want to work, it's not happening. मतलब आपको एक proficiency के साथ काम करना है, वो हो नहीं पा रहा है. Certain ambitions are faltering. Certain failures are happening. It's not looking good right now. Like, I'm seeing that there are challenges right now that you're overcoming. For how long? Can you tell me for how long? Can you tell me for how long? This entire, okay, 3 months. Okay, 3 months from now. And when I look at this card now, I also feel like there is a need for you to really ask somebody who is a thorough professional in your life, right? Somebody who is a senior, maybe. Say, suppose you are a person who has a good camaraderie with a manager or with your past ex-boss, or if you're a student, if you have a very good camaraderie with one of your teachers, please get guidance from them. I think you need hand-holding. I think you need some kind of a help. You need support, because aapko itna blind, you're basically blind here. Can you see? Like, you're not having an idea, and you need a person to be able to tell you, okay, listen, just follow my advice, like follow my guidance. Also, there is some kind of a answer here with regards to discipline. आप अगर कोई भी चीज़ अगर पकड़ लेते हो, say suppose अगर आप एक चीज़ पकड़ते हो कि ठीक है यार, if this is not working out, let me just figure out this one thing, and let me just stick to it. Let me just use all my efforts to be just sticking to this one thing. You will see the results. It's not that you have to do a lot. It's like you have to pick one thing and just be disciplined with it, and you will maybe figure things out. At least better than where you are right now, for sure. देखो क्या होता है ना कि जब आप ऐसे पोजीशन में होते हो जहाँ पे क्वेश्चनिंग हो रहा है, and you're not confident in your skill sets, you're not confident in your abilities. You know, students are just not confident. I think that students are having a very big problem with their examinations. You're struggling, and I do believe that there is a very big task in front of you, whether you're a career professional as well. You have to be able to now say that, okay, now I need to reroute. मतलब मुझे अभी इधर stuck नहीं रह सकते भाई आप. I hope you understand one thing, that you need to make a move. You need to make a move. You cannot be stuck, right? And if you cannot be stuck, because it's not like I'm saying कि अच्छा you cannot be stuck and you'll be like हाँ चलो मेरे पास आंसर है. एक तो आपको stuck नहीं रहना है, ऊपर से आपको पता भी नहीं कहाँ जाना है. You're not supposed to stay stuck, but it doesn't mean that you know where you have to go. So that's why you need some kind of a person to tell you that, listen, just follow me right now. Just do as I say. This could be any thorough professional in your field. Also, I think that there is a need for you to maybe pray to a certain deity. You know, maybe whatever deity or Ishtadev or whatever deity you connect to, and really, you know, start doing some kind of a sadhana. You need some kind of a protective energy of a god. It's not necessary, but it is ideal. तो अगर आप वो कर पाओगे, if you are able to do that, that will be very, very helpful. I'm not saying it is going to be a solution for everything, but it is definitely going to make you feel much more, you know, जब मन डरता है ना, when you're feeling mentally anguished, if you pray to certain deity, if you pray to certain god, you feel little better. You feel like, okay, I am not alone in this. Like, you will feel calm. Like, even if for that matter you want to say Hanuman Chalisa every day, you can do that. If you want to just pray to Ram Raksha, if you want to do that, if you want to do Mahamrityunjay, anything that is suitable for you. ज़्यादा मत ले लेना अपने ऊपर, ज़्यादा मत ले लेना ऊपर. पहले से आप करियर में हो, ऊपर से आपने ये सब. So just take whatever you can and follow it to the T. And you'll see that first, before you make any career change, there will be a mindset change. There will be an emotional change. There will be a strength within your own caliber. Ki, theek hai yaar, I'm not alone. It's not something that is not happening by myself. You know, that kind of an energy. Fairness will be done. See, at the end of the day, this is not something that is your karma. I hope you know that. It's something that is the phase of your life. This is not something ye aapko bhogna nahi hai. This is not a bhogna thing. This is not like, okay, you're stuck with this energy. No, you're not. That's why I told you, you are not stuck with this energy. Don't be stuck. Because coming out of it will be possible, and you will be able to figure things out also. Right? You will be able to find an answer for yourself. That is what I'm trying to say. Okay? Let's see more. Okay, let's see from here. So, career people, you are slightly having, pile number 1 people, you are slightly having some troubles. Okay? And I'm seeing these troubles with regards to sustenance of your career graph also. Career graph is not sustaining. It's going up and down. Just tell me one card, please. One card. one card. So you're understanding कि ऐसा situation में आप हो जहाँ पे आप helpless भी हो लेकिन पता भी नहीं क्या करना है. Awareness है, चलो. At least you're aware about it. That I can tell you that you guys are aware about it, right? Hermit card. Everything is telling me that you are introspecting. You are discovering your inner self. मतलब मुझे and mentorship का भी energy है. Man, I'd pull the card in front of you. Do I need to say anything more? See, when the cards say something so strongly, na, my bad. When the cards say something so strongly, you have to hear it. And the solution also happens in the cards only. Okay, what I'm seeing is that after this self-discovery, after this introspection, there will be a self-discovery. After this introspection of yours, there will be a realization that you'll have about your career. One kind of a Eureka moment. What is that Eureka moment? Can you tell me? Let's check from here. Can you tell me what the Eureka moment will be? Marriage. Marriage. Maybe there is some kind of a connection. Okay, marriage here also, like hermit energy. Okay. This could be a far shot. This could be a long shot. Okay, this is a long shot. But I am getting an energy where now I'm going to pivot a little bit and say that somewhere your career, the reason why you're having struggles in your career, now this is a long shot, take it with a pinch of salt. The reason why you're having struggles in your career is because your life partner is waiting in another career field. Mic drop. I don't even know why I'm saying that, but I'm getting an energy. If marriage आए तो मेरे को बोलना पड़ेगा ना. Interesting. I never looked at it in this way at all. So the reason why Hermit card is telling me is coming to me is also because you're lonely. You are lonely. You're lonely in your life. You're lonely in terms of who you are right now, with who you are right now. And the reason why there's a constant struggle in your career is because career is telling you कि भाई यहाँ पे जाना है. Like your career is mixed with your love life. May. You guys could be May born, or maybe you'll get the clarity in the month of May. Timeless reading, so whenever you get this reading, it will make sense. Or February, what is happening? February or May, okay? So you might be getting this clarity in the next 6 months or so. Or you could be February born or May born. What else? हार्ड वर्क इज अहेड. मैंने वो क्या कहा था स्टार्टिंग में कि हार्ड वर्क से भागना नहीं है. अगर आप हार्ड वर्क से भागोगे सो दिस इज नॉट गोना मेक सेंस, राइट? सो यू कैन नॉट एस्केप हार्ड वर्क बेसिकली. Some of you are definitely thinking about whether you guys want to start something of your own. For sure. There's some kind of a solar plexus kind of an energy that is coming into your being and you're like, okay, I need to do something of myself, something of that sorts. Okay, okay. Now I'm getting the energy. So I got a table, crib, and marriage. So what I'm seeing is some of you are wanting stability in your career. And what the universe is trying to tell you, or what the cards are trying to tell you, is that आप stability सिर्फ career के हिसाब से मत देखो, आप stability in life के हिसाब से देखो ना. You have to look at stability in terms of your overall overarching life. That means your future with your family, with your spouse, with your children. That is something that you're thinking. So okay, there could also be a possibility that some of you could also be struggling with this. That your partner is in a different country, different state, you are in a different state, different country, and you're not able to come together at one place. There could be a possibility like that also. Your or spouse, मतलब BFGF भी हो सकता है. Partner, any partner. You both are trying to see, okay, where can we both, come together and start working together. ये भी हो सकता है. Okay. But the reason why there's a struggle in your career is because there is some kind of a incomplete kind of an energy that is pulling you towards, which will tie into your ultimate love life also. I am getting this energy, okay, for you. Take it with a pinch of salt. I am not going to say anything more than that. Okay, let's see from here. What else? This was interesting, yeah. This was very unique. That marriage card just threw me off. I was like, whoa. But then when I looked at the hermit, I was like, okay, makes sense. So then the hermit is telling me that, okay, there's some kind of a loneliness and there's kind of introspection that you need to do. And the hermit is saying that, listen, you need to follow some guidance, and which also tells you about a conventional traditionality of things, which is then tying you into the perspective of, okay, maybe look at your career, not only in career sense, but in terms of overall life theme. So this is a bigger milestone that we are talking about. Okay, interesting. Okay, makes sense. Rebuilding, reawakening, rebirth. Same energy, different decks. Same thing. Same thing. Same thing. Rebuilding, rebuilding, rebuilding. मतलब आपको समझ में आ रहा है? पहला जो कार्ड था, that was only reassessing, then hermit, then all these cards, and then rebuilding. There's some kind of a your eyes need to be open, guys. Now, specifically talking about your career now, what I feel is that wherever you are right now, you are not supposed to be there. Just, I'm going to be honest. Wherever you're right now, you're not supposed to be there, or there's some kind of a questioning or whatever. ऐसा नहीं है कि I'm saying कि आपको 180 degree pivot करना है. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that there's something that you need to address. There's something that you need to address, and there's some kind of awakening, some kind of a thinking that you need to do about your career. You need to get some things moving. कुछ ना कुछ आपको एक realization आनी चाहिए अपने career के बारे में. It could very well be the smallest things, okay? For students, it could be the smallest things. Okay, maybe the way I'm studying is not up to the mark. Right? The way I'm studying is not good. Maybe I need to get into an institution. Maybe I need to pick up different books. Maybe I need to study in a different manner. Maybe I need to give a different examination. If you're a person who has recently gotten fired from a job, you might have to ask yourself, okay, maybe there's something else for me. Maybe I can look at a different place to work. Maybe I can look at a different kind of a company. So I'm not saying that you have to completely do everything differently. है ना? Say suppose you're people who are wanting to get into a college of your desire and you're not getting the college of your desire. So what you're going to do is you're going to say that, okay, maybe there's a different college for me available, right? Maybe I need to take a 1 year break again. जो भी है. Point is that there is some kind of a rethinking of your career that is happening. Pile number 1 people, rethinking of your career is there. समझ रहे हो आप? तो rethinking of career में एक सेंस ऑफ रियलाइजेशन आनी चाहिए, सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन आना चाहिए. अगर आपने सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्ट नहीं करा, से सपोज यू डोंट सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्ट, यू जस्ट गो विद द फ्लो ब्लाइंडली, व्हाट विल हैपन? यू लैंड अप इन सेम ट्रबल्स. So if you are restructuring your career, might as well put some brains into it, na? Safety, comfort, spiritual connection. I told you guys, there needs to, okay, so now here's the thing. Your career is tied to your spirituality, which is also tied to your stability of life, which has marriage in it, which has family in it, which has comforts in it. So your career has to make sense in all these departments. That's why it's tough. So basically, when you're taking a career decision, right now, pile number 1 people, what you need to know is, ask yourself, is this something related to my life purpose? Because I told you about spirituality and all that. Is it something that will make me closer to my life purpose? My life purpose. Point number 2 is it going to make me closer to the idea of a stable life? I'm not saying that is it going to make me meet my future spouse. I'm not saying that. Say suppose some people are saying I want to go into a different country. Do you think that you can see yourself living there? Just as an example, I'm telling you. Say suppose you are people who are giving XYZ examination. Do you see yourself being able to be working in that department and being able to have a good, comfortable lifestyle? So point is that you cannot do right now, like you cannot take a decision out of masti. कि मुझे मस्ती करना है. You can't do that. You have to be very serious about this decision making. Say suppose some of you have decided that, okay, you're going to pick up a job where you're staying with your family. Is it going to be a safe environment for you? Is it something that you can see yourself growing in? Right? Is it something that is going to give you the kind of comfort? Ask yourself these things. So point is that you cannot think about your career only in terms of, okay, am I getting the money? And is it something that is a good role? Do you get it? You cannot look at your career in terms of, okay, is this something that I can clear and crack and when and then I can study in this college? No, you cannot do that. You have to think a little beyond. Think like out of, like, my understanding of this is ki 5 years down the line socho. Say suppose you're in a job, if you're thinking about getting a higher raise or higher salary or higher pay, whatever, or a higher job role, ask yourself, okay, 5 years down the line, do I see myself working in the same company with the same role? Or should I just pick it up and think about something else? Say suppose you guys, some of you are deciding, I want to pivot into my entrepreneurship. That is a very big deal. Are you ready to pivot thinking that maybe 5 years down the line you have to get married? Maybe. 5 years down the line you have to have a child. Maybe. 5 years down the line maybe you have to shift homes and buy your own house. So do you think that pivot makes sense? तो आपको अपने करियर के बारे में बड़ा डेप्थ में सोचना पड़ेगा. You have to think about your career in a deeper manner, in a deeper sphere. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? You have to think about your career in terms of, like, okay, what makes sense in an overarching big picture scheme of things. Simple. And it's not going to be easy. It's not going to be, that's why it's so difficult ना. आपको इसलिए difficulty लग रही है क्योंकि आसान तो है नहीं ये decision लेना. Can I get more information from here? Building partnerships only goes to show that maybe you need to take advices from somebody. It's not that you have to do it by yourself. I think the fact that you are having resources, that no resources right now, is enough to tell me that you don't have your own capability. It's okay. You need to take somebody's support. Basically, आपको किसी से बात करनी पड़ेगी इसके बारे में बहुत डिटेल में. You have to have this discussion. Talk to somebody about what you're going through in your career. Have a long chat with a friend, with a close friend, with your partner, with your mother, with your father, with your person that is important to you in your life, with mentors, with teachers, with gurus, with whoever, with God, and try to get answers through it. Okay, because you don't have the answers. Okay, that is what I'm going to say. Definitely don't get so, like, I can understand it's very very difficult and very, मतलब बोलते हैं ना कि बहुत स्टिमुलेटिंग एनर्जी है ये, लेकिन थोड़ा रिलैक्स करके डिसीजन लो. इट्स नॉट लाइक यू टू टेक इमीडिएटली दिस डिसीजन. यू टू टेक सम टाइम ऑफ, टेक 1 month ऑफ, टेक 2 months ऑफ, थिंक अबाउट इट, लाइक रियली रिक्यूपरेट. यू नीड टू रेस्ट अ लिटिल बिट बिकॉज आई गॉट अ हर्मिट एनर्जी, 7 of Pentacles एनर्जी, तो टाइम तो लगेगा भाई. तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप जल्दबाजी डिसीजन लोगे एंड द रिजल्ट विल कम जल्दबाजी में. नो मैटर वॉट डिसीजन यू टेक एट वॉट मोमेंट एंड वॉट टाइम, द रिजल्ट विल टेक टाइम. The result of it and the success rate of it will take time. Might as well take that decision in a very calm and collected and restful mode, if possible. Definitely there will be places where you will retract from people, like you'll retract from talking to a lot of people. I think there's going to be a zone where you'll really self-introspect and really go into your own kind of deep chambers. मुझे लगता है कि आपके करियर में ना आप थोड़े शांत होने वाले हो. You're going to get quiet in your career. You're going to get silent in your career. You're not going to talk too much. You're just going to make silent moves like a snake. Move like a snake, right? So silent moves, which means that a lot of refixing, redoing, rebirthing your ideas, your plans, your reactions. Students ke liye, I think I do definitely see that you guys are stopping to meet any friends of yours, and nothing of that partying and socializing is happening. You guys are very very serious about your career, and you're definitely slowing down in terms of meeting people. You're not overly talking to anybody at all. Definitely there is going to be anxiety, guys. Like, there's no two doubts about it. You have to understand that this is an anxious time. And again, I'm not saying that it's not going to work out for you. It's just that you need to understand that there are certain things that you need to think now. आपको सोचना पड़ेगा. आप नहीं chill कर सकते हो. You have to really sit with a pen and paper and really jot down, okay, what's the plan? Like, what do I need to do? What is the 3-month plan? What is the 6-month plan? What is the 10th month plan? How do you want to kind of sustain yourself? What is it that is the overarching theme? मैंने आपको बताया था ना. Like, that is the energy that I'm getting. Like, you have to be able to understand that you cannot be chill. ये मस्ती time नहीं है. Okay? Anything else? The guide. The energy of the guide. You need some guide. You need some person to course correct you or to tell you, okay, what is the right thing. कि मेरे पास ये resources है. किसी आपके पास resources नहीं है, कोई आपको resources दे रहा है. The energy of somebody imparting resources onto you. That's the energy that is coming to me. Somebody telling you that, okay, you have to do this, you have to do that. Some male figure would be it. Some kind of a male figure, male energy coming to you and telling you that you're like this right now. You are just Hierophant again. Bhai, koi na koi, there's some kind of a guru that has to help you. I don't know who. Maybe get your astrological chart checked. I will also say that. 10th house placement में कुछ गड़बड़ है, or some kind of a energy of maybe some Mahadasha is shifting and it is affecting your 10th house. I don't know. Check. Okay, check. Okay. So definitely there's some kind of a person has to help you. Court cards are coming in. You are this Page of Pentacles. King of Swords is coming in. You have the potential of becoming King of Swords as well. That can also be there. Okay, but the Hierophant is very, very strong. I think staying focused on a task is also something that is becoming very difficult for you guys. I think it's important for you guys to understand that you're getting stuck in your career. And ये stuckness ना हर चीज़ को destabilize कर रहा है. You're not able to focus. You're not able to understand what you're going through. There are places where you're not able to be dedicated. Motivation नहीं है. Creative block है. It's like this out of touch energy that you're having with your career ना is actually impacting and showing its face. It's showing its results. Overindulgence हो रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा. I think you need to rewire everything that is happening in your career. I think that's the base of it. मतलब मेरे पास और कोई information आ ही नहीं रही है. Same cards are repeating. So and understand this. When cards repeat like that, na, it only says to me, like the universe says to me, or sometimes clients के साथ भी होता है, that the same cards keep repeating, and I'm like, okay, can you tell me something more? But the universe is like, no, this is the first lesson that this person needs to understand. मैं और lesson इसको दूंगा या दूंगी जो भी है ऊपर, तो ये hodgepodge हो जाएगा. So if something is being reiterated over and over and over again, that means that there's something that you need to understand about this career thing. Okay? So yeah, guys, this is what it is. Pile number 1, people. This was a little bit of a short, sweet, crisp, sweet, I don't know, but short and crisp reading. I hope that this was able to give you some kind of an understanding. I know it was not something that was very hopeful and very positive, but I think this is something that you need to know. And there was some kind of a solution in this, definitely. But more than solution, it was like, this is what you need to do. Like, this is your decision that you need to take, right? So yeah, pile number 1, it's hectic, but it's not impossible at all. And I hope that you're able to come out of this slump. And I wish you all the best. Let me know what made sense. Like, save, share this video, and let me know what is going on in your career. And if you want to book a personal session with me, you can do so as well. Maybe you need some guidance from myself. But nevertheless, yes, definitely subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and let me know what you want to watch next, and have this video as many times as you can. And yes, thank you so much, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye. All right, if you've chosen pile number 2, which is the red jasper, then this is going to be your tarot reading, where we're going to see what you need to know about your career, what is the information, what is it that you need to know, everything about it, right? So right at the bat, people who have chosen pile number 2, okay, you guys, I feel like you have recently started going for pottery or clay making or something of that sort. I'm getting an energy like that. You might be wearing red, maroon, or somewhere you guys have started to become more active, started to get into the gym, started to become much more health conscious. Some of you might be undergoing your Mars Mahadasha also, or Antardasha. Some of you could be feeling very excited for certain things. Maybe there's some kind of a plan upcoming, so there's an excitement that I can see. Some of you are going to a place which is known to be hot. Like, some of you might be traveling to Dubai or something of that sort, which is like known to be hot. Okay, hot places you're going there, humid hot places. Okay, anything else? Yeah, that's about it. So yeah, pile number 2, people, let's see what's going on in your career, what is the information, and what you need to know, everything about it. So yes, let's see what is the guidance for pile number 2. Pile number 2, people. Pile number 2, people, now I'm sure for a fact you guys are aiming something very, very big in this year, or maybe in the upcoming 6 months. There is some very big achievement or expectation that you're having. I'm telling you, from the first minute of this video, of this pile, you're going to get it. Okay, I've gotten a very strong energy. I feel like there is nothing that you can ever be not prepared for. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आपका एक जो aim है अभी, there's some milestone that you want to achieve. This is timeless. So whatever milestone that you're wanting to achieve in the next XYZ amount of months, you have prepared so well that there's absolutely no way that you will get shocked with the result. That you are not knowing what is in store. ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा scene नहीं है. You know where you want to go, and you're going towards it, and you're seeing the result, and you're seeing yourself being there, and you're going to get it. There's nothing that you can be unclear about. There's nothing in store that you're not prepared for, basically. Okay. The second thing is that I feel like there is a very honest approach that is there in your career right now, or maybe you're having that approach, or you're being told to do that approach. And that approach is very simple. Do the work properly, diligently, and silently. Don't make a big deal about it. Work is worship, and whatever you're trying to do is for yourself. आप किसी के लिए कोई, you're not doing anybody any favor. You are doing for yourself, for your growth, and you will get the result. Matlab, very basic understanding what I'm getting is that you are coming to your work, you're working, and you're coming back. You're a student, you're studying, you're doing your studies, then you're coming back. You're an entrepreneur, you're doing your job, you're talking to your clients, you're talking to your people that you're hiring, and you're coming back. Matlab, I'm seeing diligent. I am seeing, this is also an advice for people now who are trying to do a lot of unique things. Please let them go. The advice is to just follow the basics. It's the advice is to follow the blueprint. जो normal हमारा blueprint होता है ना, वो कुछ हटके करने की जरूरत नहीं है, कुछ यूनिक करने की जरूरत नहीं है, कुछ अलग नहीं करने की जरूरत नहीं है. For students, don't need to do something very भलता ही कुछ पढ़ना है, कुछ different ही करना है. Just follow what is obvious. Just do what makes sense, and follow what every person has been advocating for. मतलब something that is time and tested. This is the advice for you. People, pile number 2, people, time and tested जो चीजें आपके सामने है उसको करो, आप खुश रहोगे. I see finances also getting very, very strong in the upcoming 6 months for you. I would say finances also getting really, really strong. There's some kind of energy of finances as well here, which I'm seeing either a financial buy, a big purchase that you're making, or a financial trip that you're making, like a very nice exclusive trip that you're having, or you are saving up for something very, very important, or you are able to get a high paying job, or you're able to get a high, or you can get some inheritance also from your family members or something of that sort. Some kind of a financial influx is something that you can expect. Okay, now let's talk more about this. What else is happening? Can you tell me what else is happening in this energy? I do believe that there is a very beautiful energy of being able to back this kind of an energy up with your skill set. Very nice, very interesting. Whenever I talk about this energy of being successful, you're getting what you want. I think for you specifically, pile number two people, it's because you are curious enough about your career. You care enough for your career. You do want to see of how much extent you can put yourself in. You believe in perfection. You believe in honing yourself. When you say that I am my own competition, you heck mean it. You definitely mean it कि मैं अपना competition हूँ, मुझे अपने आप को बेहतर करना है, मुझे अपने आप को देखना है मैं और क्या क्या कर सकता हूँ, और क्या क्या मैं एक्सपीरियंस कर सकता हूँ, और मैं क्या क्या दिखा सकता हूँ, अपनी स्किल सेट्स, अपनी एबिलिटीज. So for myself only, not to prove anything to anybody. मुझे कुछ prove करने की जरूरत नहीं है. When I see your energies, it only goes to show that you are excited to grow in your career because you think that you have the capability. There is an energy of somebody who's wanting to be able to see what's in store because I know that this is my potentiality. I know that right now I'm a page, but I can reach a king's position. I can reach a king's position. So there is that kind of a potentiality that you have seen in your own self, and you're like, you know what? Let me bet on myself. Let me see what is coming to me, and that's why this kind of an energy that I told you कि you're prepared very well. आपको क्या लग रहा है कि आप प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं हो, लिटरली द मैजिशियन बैक ऑफ द एनर्जी कार्ड, आप बहुत प्रिपेयर्ड हो. यू नो एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, यू नो एग्जैक्टली व्हाट द रिसोर्सेज आर, यू नीड टू एग्जैक्टली नो what is happening in front of you. You just need to be able to find that kind of a correct time when the iron is hot and you hit it. That's the energy. In fact, you don't even have to do that. Automatically things are happening for you. मुझे बहुत अच्छी एनर्जीज दिख रही हैं आपको करियर के लिए. फॉर पीपल एक्चुअली हु हैव बीन स्ट्रगलिंग इन देयर करियर, आई फील लाइक देयर इज अ रे ऑफ होप कमिंग इन दैट थिंग्स आर इन माई हैंड. आई कैन स्टिल कंट्रोल थिंग्स अराउंड मी. आई कैन स्टिल मैनेज थिंग्स अराउंड मी. इट्स नॉट दैट थिंग्स आर नॉट इन माई हैंड. इट्स नॉट दैट आई कैन नॉट I have to bank on external energies. It's things are in front of me and I'm able to make something of it. Okay. So let's see from here what else is happening in this career. Let me see. So especially for people who are having like a career shift, right? People who are having a perspective with regards to, okay, what next steps to take. If there is this kind of a opening of doors, right? With the page and the magician, I do believe that there is some kind of opening of doors. Very important energies, like you're talking to very, very smart individuals. Like there's a lot of networking I can see. You guys are genuinely talking to very intellectuals, a lot of intellectual people. You're maybe talking to people who are a professional in the stream that you're in the field that you're in. Maybe not in person, maybe online, you're meeting them, you're having a conversation, you're listening to them, and you're getting very prabhavit, motivated feel कर रहे हो आप. आपको motivated feel हो रहा है. When I look at your cards, I feel like there is this kind of a inner kind of a warrior like energy, like a Martian kind of a strong energy, which is telling me that there is this kind of a expectation that you have with yourself, and you know that you're capable of it, and you want to be able to achieve that. Like that's the kind of mindset I'm seeing for you people. Pile number 2. Okay, let's see what else is there. Wow, learning is there. And also one more thing here, somebody is telling you that this is the place you're belonging, right? I feel like if there has been a place where you feel like you don't belong somewhere, the belongingness of things are happening. Also learning is there. I do believe that some people with the magician and the page of swords also, you have to be able to really focus on your skill development, your education, your knowledge. People who have had a problem with regard to your examinations का कोई चक्कर है भाई, this is looking good for you. Okay, so examination people, all the best. This is looking good for you. Okay. Even for that matter, I'm getting an energy of Hierophant even in this energy. So this only goes to show that there is a need for you to take advices as well. So pile number 1 people and pile number 2 people, both of you are having energies of taking advices. So remember I told you that you might be networking, you might be meeting people. So why not ask them their opinions about what you need to do in your career? What is it that is making sense? Are you going in the right direction? That could also be a possibility. Okay. 10 of Pentacles. What did I say? मतलब there is, मैं जो बोलती हूँ वो होता है. ऐसा ही है भाई, ऐसा ही है. मैं जो बोलती हूँ वो होता है. Prosperity, security in and tradition यहाँ पे भी आया है. So I will say exactly what I said earlier, that follow time and tested rules. Don't do anything डोंट डू अवे फ्रॉम ट्रेडिशन, डोंट डू एनीथिंग हटके. कुछ आपको यूनिक करने की जरूरत नहीं है, कुछ अनकन्वेंशनलिटी के ऊपर देखो मत. यू आर सपोज टू डू वॉट यू नो. ओके, बैंक ऑन द थिंग्स दैट यू नो. जो आपको पता है उसके ऊपर फोकस करिए आप. जो आपको नहीं पता है उसको टच भी मत करिए आप. ठीक है, डोंट डू फॉर पीपल हु आर गिविंग एग्जामिनेशंस, प्लीज डोंट डू एनीथिंग लास्ट मिनट नाउ. हो गया, जो आपको आता है उसको आप होन करिए. जो आपको ऑलरेडी पता है, जो आपकी पढ़ाई है उसको आप होन करिए, उसको आप ज़्यादा उसके ऊपर फोकस करिए. जो आपको नहीं पता है, डोंट स्टडी इट. इफ यू डोंट नो समथिंग, डोंट टच इट. सिंपल एज दैट. ओके, people who are in their career and you're wanting to pivot or you want to shift and do something new, please ensure that you're doing it in a very traditional manner. No need to learn something new कि अच्छा CV में मैं ये डाल दूंगा या ये डाल दूंगी तो ये हो जाएगा. Do what people usually do. Look at resumes in the way they are made. Look at the CVs and in the way they are made. Yeah, in the way they are made, and follow that. Okay, nothing too out of the box. You don't have to do anything unique. मुझे यहाँ पे कोई unique कार्ड नहीं आया है. You have to do what is being asked from you. You have to just follow the rule book. That's what it is. Literally traditions का कार्ड आया है तो you just have to follow the rule book. जो आपको पता है वो follow करो भाई, और कुछ follow मत करो. Okay. One more thing that I'm getting here very strongly is that a male patriarch, okay, a male masculine figure in your family is going to help you in your career. This could be anybody, friend, not friend, father, brother, ताया जी, ताऊ जी, जो भी है आपके लाइफ में. एनी काइंड ऑफ अ मेल मैस्कुलिन पेट्रियार्क और ऑफ ग्रैंडफादर और एनीथिंग विल बी एबल टू हेल्प यू इन योर करियर. कहीं भी स्ट्रगल है आपको डेफिनेटली वो हेल्प मिल जाएगी. सो देयर इज नथिंग दैट यू आर गोइंग टू बी अफ्रेड ऑफ. ओके, very nice. An emotionally secure, loving family is important to you. I told you right now, family energy is coming to me. Somebody in your family is going to help you. This is this kind of an energy जहाँ पे मुझे लग रहा है कि आपके पास जब moment आएगा, you will be able to get such great resources from your family members. I am not even kidding. Some great resources, some great advices, some great ideas can come to you, some great thought processes can come to you. You should definitely take their opinions for sure. A father's opinions has to be taken. Okay, what else? Okay, you can find, okay, I don't know why this card is coming in, but I'll still say that I do believe that there will be some kind of a disappointment that you're going to face in your love life. Absolutely, 100% you're going to face some kind of a disappointment in your love life, which is going to create much more of a fire for you to do more better, much better in your career. मुझे लगता है कि आपके लव लाइफ में कोई डिसअपॉइंटमेंट आ सकता है, आपको कुछ डिफिकल्टीज आप देखोगे, which will make you feel like, okay, you know what, I need to now focus on my career. बहुत हो गया. Maybe some of you are going through your breakup as well. Fame and recognition is coming to you for sure. Like, this is an energy that I'm getting where if you are thinking and aiming कि यार I want to do something so that people get to know me, although you don't want to do that, although I'm not seeing validation, you're not seeking validation, but validation will come to you. Have you seen that Ravi Kishan ka meme, पैसा या पहचान? पैसा, so you are actually focusing on your career first and पहचान will come to you. So नाम या दाम, नाम automatically आ जाएगा. So that Ravi Kishan meme, you are that. Okay. So that is what I was saying. I can't believe I would quote a meme here. Okay. Okay, some kind of past choices will resurface. Exactly what I said earlier also, that certain decisions that you thought, not decisions, but certain plans that couldn't make sense earlier, or certain failures that you experienced earlier, I think those energies will come back again and you'll find yourself victorious. You'll find yourself successful in those energies. So this is a very good energy that I'm getting. Okay, let's see more. Let's see from here. Okay, let's see what else. So some kind of a past decision making, or maybe like some kind of a past energies that were not making sense. Four of Wands. Bhai, kitna family energy aa raha hai? I'm getting an energy where for you also, people, there is some kind of a, like family connection in your career. Either you have to take decisions with regards to keeping your family in mind, or you have to take your family somewhere. Achha, some people na, if you're specifically if you're wanting to buy a house, you're kind of getting a house for sure. Okay, timeline I will tell you later, but you're getting a house for sure. मतलब ये yes card है कि आप house तो ले रहे हो. Okay, people who are also one more thing with people who are finding a difficulty in getting a long-term career goal, matlab long-term career graph. Matlab some people are working in a stipend-led job, working part-time, working on a contract basis. You're getting a permanent job, permanent salary, permanent employee. आप permanent employee बन रहे हो. Okay. People who are having students specifically, this is for you. You are able to get a very good, decent college, reputed college आपको मिल रहा है. Or some people who are wanting to get into, who are giving government examinations, you are able to see that kind of a result for you, which is very like government friendly. Government अगर आपको job चाहिए, government आपको servant बनना है, you can definitely do that. But there's an energy of family here, so there's some kind of a connection with family. You figure out what it is, but yeah, that is what I'm getting. Okay. Anything else? आई डू बिलीव दैट येस देयर विल बी कॉम्पिटिशन. यहाँ पे कॉम्पिटिशन डेफिनेटली है. आपको अपना game, like a game दिखाना पड़ेगा. I do believe that there will be some kind of a struggle, like especially for people who are giving competitive examinations. You can find yourself dealing with a lot of competition, but you'll have to be cutthroat. मतलब this is an energy where you have to be like your ideal self. जो ideal self होता है, जो एक version of yourself जो बिल्कुल भी, I'm not getting any emotion card at all. एक कप नहीं आया मेरे पास, एक कप नहीं आया. That means आपको अपने emotions को थोड़ा त्यागना पड़ेगा. You'll have to literally let go of your emotions and think about what is the steps that you need to take from a very masculine energy level, when what it means for you to take decisions from an analytical standpoint. Okay, in fact, this is an advice for you, pile number 2 people. The less emotional you are, the better it is going to be for you. The less you think from your heart, and the more you think from your brain, the more you strategize, the more you plan, the more you're analytical, the more you're idealistic, the more you are pragmatic, the better it is, right? Intuition, not right now. Emotion, not right now. Feeling that I want to do this because this is what my heart tells me what to do, not right now. Okay, do what makes sense from a career graph perspective. Do what makes sense. As I told you, time and tested चीजें करो भैया. जहाँ पे भी आपको टाइम एंड टेस्टेड चीजें मिल रही हैं वो आप करो. सो इफ यू आर, like, I would go a step and say that, maybe follow traditionalities, right? If people say that, okay, engineers, doctors, lawyers are the ones, then maybe it's the truth. Maybe that is how the universe functions, right? I understand some people might be having some eclectic choices in career. Even if you have that eclectic choice, I do believe that you can become mainstream in it, है ना? Just because I'm only mentioning about doctors or engineers or government employees, that doesn't mean that people who are having a different kind of a job are going to have problems here, because I've gotten good cards for any kind of a career type, right? So you might be able to find yourself getting into mainstream, as I told you, fame and recognition. So people who are wanting to get viral, people who are wanting to get a lot of subscribers or followers or views, and want to get collabs, and वो सब अगर आपको चाहिए वो भी आपको मिल पा रहा है, because people are noticing you. You're going into these events, you're getting invited to these good places. Maybe you are getting to travel for your work. So this is like a dream kind of a job, like dream kind of a dream run in your career. So it's like a dream run in your career. So you can be very, very thankful for that. Yes, definitely there's a deep sense of personal strength that you're achieving here. एक assured success आ रहा है जिसकी वजह से आप बहुत काम हो. Like, like I told you, like, that this is something that you can do, that you can handle, that you're in, like, this is in store for you. कि यार ये मैं अचीव कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ, मुझे पता है, जिसकी वजह से एक कामनेस, एक शांत है, एक एनर्जी ऑफ, यार आई नो दैट दिस इज माइन, आई नो दैट दिस इज गोइंग टू बी फॉर मी, आई नो दैट दिस इज समथिंग that will work for me. And that peace and tranquility is reflecting in the way you're working. It's reflecting in the way you're behaving. It's reflecting on the way you're conducting yourself. You are not afraid of anything, because you know that my basics are clear. You know that I know my resources. You know that I know what I'm good at. I know I'm aware about what is wrong, what is right. Maybe I'm needing to learn more. मुझे शायद और पढ़ाई करने की जरूरत है, मुझे शायद और ग्रो करने की जरूरत है, मान लिया, लेकिन मुझे पता है मैं कहाँ स्टैंड करता हूँ. ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग है आपके पास, राइट? मुझे पता है कि दिस इज वेयर आई स्टैंड एंड दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी आई एम इन, एंड दैट इज व्हाट गिव्स मी पीस. आई एम नॉट इल्यूजनल. यू आर नॉट इन एनी डिल्यूजन में नहीं हो आप, कोई डिल्यूजन में नहीं हो आप. ओके, there is definitely a sense of security here. There is also a forethought in everything that you're doing. एक afterthought है, आप blindly कोई चीज़ नहीं कर रहे हो. That's why I said कि एक strategy है, एक plan of action है, एक trickle down effect है. There is this kind of this leads to this, this leads to this, this leads to this, and thus I am here. That kind of an energy, right? So there is a foresightedness into whatever you're doing. There is this kind of a preservation energy. Preservation not in terms of being insecure or constricting yourself. Preservation in terms of, I know what my goal is. I know what my strengths are. मैं कुछ भलता क्यों करूँ? Yeah, why should I do something that is not in lieu of what I want to do? Just because I want to do something that other people are doing, just because I want to do something that is maybe exciting or in trend, it doesn't matter, right? When I get a King of Pentacles, the first thing that you need to understand with the King of Pentacles is that this person does things in a conventional manner. ये traditionality से ही, the first energy of a King of Pentacles is traditionality, right? And I've gotten 2 cards, Wise Counselor and a 10 of Pentacles, which also talks about traditionality. So you understand that anything that you're doing apart from tradition is going to create problems for you, because this will be another new challenges that will come into your life. You're understanding what I'm trying to say? So ultimately, what you need to understand is sometimes time and tested things works for somebody. It's the best thing to do. Okay, so that is what I will say. Luck turns in your favor. Wow, kya card hai? So as I said, like, luck will turn into your favor. You will have much more good things coming into your life. You'll find yourself feeling genuinely blessed at times in your career. कहीं पे भी अगर आपको struggle है, like people who are having some kind of an issues with regards to visa के prospects आ सकते. You can get visa things working out. King of Pentacle. Should I say anything more or should I just leave this reading? Because I think it's the same kind of a thing that happened in the pile one also. Ki same cards were repeating. Same thing is happening here. Same thing is happening here. I can't even believe it. Prosperity, generosity, success, achievement, you name it. You are becoming the king of your career. Or kya chahiye? You're getting into a position and because you have the mindset of the king. You are becoming the king because you have the mindset of the king. You are not becoming the king because it is in your, like it's in your destiny also. But अगर आपके डेस्टिनी में होता भी नहीं ना तब भी मैं बोलती कि आप किंग बन रहे हो. योर पाथ इज समवेयर अ शॉर्ट सक्सेस. मे बी राइट नाउ यू मस्ट नॉट बी फीलिंग लाइक दैट. मे बी राइट नाउ यू मस्ट बी सेइंग यार क्या बोल रही है, ऐसा कुछ चल ही नहीं रहा है मेरे लाइफ में. बट आप वेट करो, टाइमलाइन देखते हैं. लेट्स सी हाउ लॉन्ग इट विल टेक. आई डिड से 6 months. लेट मी जस्ट कंफर्म दैट एनर्जी. 6 months मैंने बोला तो था. एक्चुअली लेट मी कंफर्म फ्रॉम हियर. Magician, again the magician card has come. Okay, 6 of swords. 6 months is happening for sure. ठीक है, हैप्पी. अगेन magician card came in. तो ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे, इट्स मेकिंग मी फील लाइक आई नीड टू कट द रीडिंग हियर ओनली बिकॉज द यूनिवर्स इज सेइंग कि भाई तूने बोल दिया ना सक्सेस मिल रहा है, तो इसको छोड़, इसको मेरे पास भेज ताकि इसको सक्सेस मिल पाए. That is what I feel the universe is trying to tell me, is that please leave this person who's watching this video so that I can come and reach out to this person and grab this person into the success that he wants to achieve. That's what I'm getting. What else do I say? You know, resources are there. I mean, that's what it is. Like, when I look at the magician also, like, I'll explain to you, okay? When you look at the magician, what is important here? Important here is his hands. Like, the way he's feeling internally. When you feel good about yourself, that materializes, guys. That is how simply universe works. The way you feel from within, that's why we say that you have to be grateful, you have to be good, you have to have good energy, positive energies, because that will, like, that the kind of energy will, like, you know, क्या बोलते हैं कि वो ऐसे, like, वो आपके ऊपर आ जाएगा, like, you will get it, you will get that energy. That's why it's saying that kind of energy of as above, so below, right? कि as you feel within, so is outside, okay? So you have to feel good, you have to feel powerful, you have to feel ready, you have to feel smart, you have to feel intellectual. अगर डर के रहोगे, अगर एग्जामिनेशन के पहले 500 बार आप बोलोगे कि भाई मेरे से नहीं होगा, मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा, तो नहीं हो पाएगा. Okay, let's see what else is coming into your career. You're getting a lot of honest feedback, guys. Honest feedback आपको मिल रहा है. There is some kind of a way in which your dreams are manifesting into a healthy manner. And people are giving you feedbacks about it. And you're demonstrating a very real, mature perspective. Like, आपकी जो maturity है ना, जिस तरह से आप अपने करियर को ड्राइव कर रहे हो, जिस तरह से आप अपने लॉसेस को, अपने फेलियर्स को एक स्ट्राइड में ले रहे हो, it is showing me class. You're being classy. You're having refined taste in your career. You're being classy. You know, the way you're approaching, the way you're interacting with people, the way you're conducting yourself. Maybe, in fact, in your career, I do believe that some of you, when you're moving in a good direction, maybe some of you are wearing good clothes, you're wearing good perfume, you're smelling well, you're looking good. Like, you're conducting yourself as a powerful figure. You're entering a room with a firm handshake. You're entering a room where you're having this kind of a belief in your life. If, say, suppose you're getting into a interview setup, you're being able to, like, say, good morning. Yeah, my name is, like, you're being confident. You're not like you're sitting normally. You're sitting like a person. You're not being affected. You're not being offended. If the things didn't work out, it's okay. I have something else in store for me. Like, this is how a individual who is sure of himself conducts himself, right? And again, like, I'm going to say this, it's like an idealistic version of yourself. This is how a person is. If you're wanting to grow in a career, you have to leave your emotions behind. आपको घर पे रखने अपने emotions. आप affect नहीं हो सकते. आपको हर एक challenge को as a means of, I want to thrive in it. If it works for me, great. If it doesn't work for me, it was not in store for me. It was just not making sense for me. And I know it can be very difficult because आप हो emotionally attached अपने career से. कभी-कभी जब चीज़ें नहीं work out होती है तो बुरा लगता है. But there are plethora of things that are in store for you guys. It's not even a joke. Like, I'm not even going to deny that there is, like, just because something didn't work out for you, there is no way you can't go back into the same place. आजकल तो ये भी हो गया कि अगर आप say suppose you couldn't do, like, डॉक्टरी नहीं कर पाए तो आप कुछ और करके आप जा सकते हो. You can become a doctor. Like, there are things like that you can do. You know, so it's not like end all be all of anything. And you're conducting yourself in that manner. Students who are giving the examinations are aware of the fact that, okay, this is something that is working for me. If it is not working for me, I have a plan B. But I'll put my level best into this action. मैं अपना best करूँगा. But अगर नहीं हो पाया तो कोई बात नहीं. It's not my loss. It's okay. It happens. Okay? Results in love life will surprise you. I do believe your love life is struggling for sure. आपका emotion health is not good. I think there is an energy. I don't know if I have to tell you this, but there's a possibility that love life can be a little fractured in your life, and it can create a little bit of a disharmony. Emotional withdrawal hai, emotional disinterest, I will say. You are disinterested in love life. You are like, bhai chodo mujhe. Like right now I need to look at my career. I think it's time for me to kind of zone in, lock in, whatever XYZ. Maybe this is an energy for you in the upcoming 6-9 months कि भाई बहुत ज़्यादा crucial है, तो मेरे साथ बातें मत करो, मेरे साथ time waste मत करो, जो भी XYZ. Emotional withdrawal है, and you are going to be surprised that you might be very okay with it. That is the result that is you are surprised about. You're not open to love. You're not interested in taking love in a very serious manner. What you're looking at, I need to get my clients, I need to get my career sorted, I need to get my work done, I need to get into a good job, I need to get into a government service, I need to clear my examination. वो zone में आप हो भी, ठीक है. तो love life में थोड़ा struggle है, आप मान के चलो. Okay, patience is going to get tested for sure. This going to take some time यार. 6 महीने अगर मैं बोली तो आपको थोड़ा time तो लगेगा ही, right? So it's going to take some time. It's not going to be easy. 6 months is a big time, right? So it's not going to be easy, but you will get the result of your actions. Okay, some of you can travel for work for sure. There's a travel for work as well. यहाँ पे कितने travel के cards आए हैं? Travel for work. Okay, so you can travel for work as well. Wow, exciting times. Take me also with you. Okay, there is, why you're feeling like this? ये energy क्यों shift हुई है? Because there has been incredible amount of dissatisfaction that you've been feeling in your life, and you're realizing that in order for me to do well in my life, अगर मुझे अपने बारे में अच्छा फील करना है, मुझे करियर पहले सॉर्ट करना पड़ेगा. Like that is the realization. Like I am getting an energy where some of you are feeling so dissatisfied in your own self, in your own belief, in your own behavior, whatever it is. You're like, what? If I need to do well in my life, I need to fix my career. That's the mindset that you guys are in. Most likely, आपका ये mindset है. Okay, some kind of a journey that you're starting in your career. Okay, I think that's about it. Same things are happening. Same things are coming to me. Okay, intuition feels unclear. I told you, please don't follow your intuition. कहाँ गया? Don't follow your intuition. Intuition is not working out for you. So please हाथ जोड़ के मैं विनती करती हूँ, आप intuitively कोई decisions मत लो. ठीक है, आपको जो सही लगता है वो गलत है, आपको जो time and tested लगता है वो correct है. Your intuition is not working right now, so don't make it work. Follow what is in the rule book, what makes sense, what is the common sense. जो common sense है ना वो follow करो. Intuition मत follow करो, common sense follow करो, and you'll be fine, right? So yeah, pile number 2, this is what it is for you. I hope I was able to help you, and this was what your reading was talking about, and very exciting energies. I don't think कुछ ज़्यादा मैंने बोला है इसमें, क्योंकि same energies repeat हो रही थी, and I don't think I have any new perspective to add. I told you whatever you had to listen to, and I wish you all the very best, guys. Thank you so much, and yeah, let me know what you want to watch next. Like, save, share this video, and let me know how this reading made sense for you. Resonate हुआ, क्या हुआ? Let me know. And subscribe to my channel. Let's hit that 15,000, please. Let's do that. And hype this video as many times as you can. And if you want to book a personal session with me, you can always do so. All the information is in the description box below. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.